Alright, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, so, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung how does it look like or paano nga ba natin ginagawa yung ating business dito sa Shanta. So, from the first video, um, nag-set tayo ng mindset or ano ba yung magiging nag-prepare tayo ng mga mindset kung ano yung tamang mindset sa paggawa ng business. So ngayon pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano nga ba ginagawa yung business. So for example, sa isang bombero, ba kaya nagiging bombero yung isang bombero kasi pumapatay siya ng apoy. So ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ano ba yung mga specific na gagawin natin, okay, to drive success here on our business. So ito yung basic kung paano ba tumatakbo yung ating business dito sa Shaitan. Okay. So my goals for you is this. Una nating goal para sa iyo on deciding to start the business is to get your first sales within 24 hours. So yun yung pinakaunang goal natin is makuha yung pinakauna mong sale doing the business. Bakit? So para mas ma-form yung belief, okay, and talagang makita nyo at magkaroon kayo ng first result. Second goal natin for you on this business is to get your first profit or maibalik yung kung anumang nilabas nyo na puhunan to start this business and to exceed those investment and to get profit. Yan. Makuha nyo kung ano man yung mga how much man yung nilabas ninyo to start the business. Okay? And next goal natin for you is to hit one of your core rank or to become a consultant in your first month. So yun yung tatlong goal natin for you starting this business. Una is to get your first sale within 24 hours. So meron tayong tinatawag na hot market approach. Yun yung gagawin nyo to get your first sale. And next is mabawi kung ano man yung puhunan or starting capital na in-spend nyo to start this business and to get profit. And third one is to hit your first rank, which is to become a consultant within a first month doing the business. So, basically, ito yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin on this business. First is that we get leads. Okay? So, from that lead, okay, ang ginagawa lang natin is dinadaan din natin yung mga tao on this process. So first, we get leads. Okay? Next, from those leads, tatawagan natin sila. Then we set appointment. Then we present. And then we support those customers or those distributors. So, yun yung basically, yun yung ginagawa natin. So, ito yung mga ginagawa natin on this business o ganito natin pinapatakbo yung business. Okay, we get leads, tinatawagan natin sila, we set appointment, then we present, and then we follow up, and then we support them. So, yun basically, yun ang ginagawa natin. Yun yung pinaka-basics nung ginagawa natin dito sa business. So, para mas mag-get nyo lang, halimbawa, sa isang coffee shop business. Ano bang ginagawa ng coffee shop business? Gumagawa ng kape, nag-serve ng kape, and then dinigreet ang customer. So basically, ganun lang gumagana yung business natin. Ngayon, so how we get paid? O paano ba tayo kumikita dito sa Chantal? So ito yung tatlong ways or dahil sa tatlong activity na to, dito tayo binibigyan ng komisyon ni Chantal. First one is acquisition. acquisition of customers or distributor. So anything na binibili nila, or every time we get customers, distributors, and we get certain amount or commission based on their purchases. So yun yung first thing. And next, retention. So Chantal recognized that ikaw yung dahilan or ikaw yung nagdala ng isang distributor o customers dito sa Chantal. So nire-recognize ni Chantal, kaya for every purchases ng distributor or customer na yun, you will get also a small percentage of those sales at mapupunta rin sa'yo. So acquisition, retention, or anything na binibili ng customer or distributor, you will get a percentage with that sale. Next is duplication. Dito naman, dito tayo nakabuild o nakagawa ng big result or ng financial freedom or time freedom because Chantal will also pay you for training distributors to do the acquisition and then the retention. So yun yung tatlong bagay. First, we get customers or distributor and you will get paid. And then retention. So every purchases ng customer or distributor, you will get also paid. And then duplication. So if tinuruan mo yung isang tao to get customer and they also get customers, you will get also a commission. So yan yung tatlong ways kung paano tayo nagkaka-income. So there is a sabi-sabi here or quote here on our industry that it doesn't matter what works, it only matters what duplicates. So ibig sabihin lang, halimbawa for example sa akin before na-try ko yung kasi along the training, mas marirealize nyo lang to. Gusto ko lang banggitin sa inyo about this praise. Kasi before na nag-start ako, so what I did, yung nagpo-flyery. So nakakuha akong customers, pero yun ba yung most effective or duplicatable way to start yung business? So syempre, dito, kailangan nyo lang magkaroon kayo ng mindset na on this business, importante ang duplication. So kahit gano'n ka kasikat, gano'n ka kagaling, gano'n ka complicated, gano'n ka ganda yung system mo, kung hindi naman siya kayang gawin ng taong hindi sikat, walang influence, o hindi magaling, or simply average person, wala rin siya. Kasi dito, kikita lang naman tayo ng malaki if yung system na meron tayo is naduduplicate ng maraming tao. So kaya importante, maintindihan nyo lang siyang mabuti na hindi porket kayo nakakuha kayong sales pero hindi naman nagagawa ng mga downline nyo. So hindi rin kayo magkakaroon ng financial freedom kasi kayo lang din yung gawa ng gawa. So gusto ko namin intindihan nyo yan. Next. So dito, binanggit ko sa inyo na ito yung trabaho natin. So we guide our customer from leads until to support. And we get paid based on these activities, 3 activities. Ngayon, sino yung mga customer natin? So we have 3 categories of customer. First is yung hot market, warm market, and cold market. So hot market, basically this is a type of people na kilala nyo at kilala rin kayo na they will buy from you just to support you. So imagine, sila yung mga klase ng tao, kapag nasiraan ka sa daan, or na-flat yung gulong mo, sila yung pinaka-first na mga tao na papasok sa isipan nyo na willing kayong tulungan doon sa situation na meron kayo. So, ganun ka tight yung bond, sila yung mga klase ng tao. Yun yung hot market. Willing silang bumili sa'yo or buy products, try products, or become a distributor just to help you. Dahil willing silang tulungan kayo. Yun yung hot market. So may trust sila sa inyo. Next, warm market. Sila yung klase ng mga tao na kakilala nyo, kilala rin kayo, but they will not buy from you unless they will see the benefits for themselves. Ibig sabihin, sila yung mga klase ng tao na kilala nyo, kilala rin kayo, pero hindi sila bibili hanggat hindi nila nakikita yung benefits para sa sarili nilang kapakanan. Sila yung mga taong, what is it for me? Kaya makita muna nila yung benefits para sa sarili nila before they will buy. Okay? Next, ang cold market, sila yung mga tao na hindi kakilala, hindi alam na exist ka. So, based on these three categories, meron tayong different approach sa hot market, warm and cold market para makapagbenta. So, may iba't ibang klaseng approach. So, ngayon, ang pinaka-focus natin, first, we will start with your hot market. Mga taong may kilala kayo at nitiwala sa inyo at willing to buy from you just to support you. Next, after that, next approach natin is yung warm market. Meron tayong gagawin mga different strategies kung paano natin matatap yung mga warm market, paano natin mapapresent, mapapakita sa kanila yung benefits para sa sarili nila. Next, cold market, meron din tayong different approach. Kasi sa cold market, there are 3 steps in order for them to buy from you. First, they should know you, like you, and trust you. Una, dapat kanilang makilala. Pagkatapos kanilang makilala, magustuhan kanila on how you think o yung product, then trust you. Magkaroon ng tiwala sa inyo. So once they trust you, dun pa lang sila bibili sa iyo. So meron tayong strategy yan. And I know, ngayon gusto nyong matutunan lahat, pero trust me, okay, meron tayong step by step na gagawin. First, we just need to focus dun sa guide na ibibigay namin sa inyo. Okay? So now, meron tayong ginatawag dito na fast start game plan. Okay. So here, kung makikita nyo, di ba dito, meron tayong iba't ibang mga market. Hot, warm, and cold market. Ngayon, ito yung magiging setup natin. So first, we start with the hot market. Ito yung warm market. And then yung cold market. So yan. So ito ang gagawin natin. Okay? So we will start first dun sa hot market, hot market nyo. Ayan. So meron tayong tinatawag na hot market strategy. Yun yung first na gagawin natin within 24 hours. After nun, meron tayong tinatawag na classes. Kung saan, sa classes na to, itatap naman natin yung warm market nyo. And then next is meron tayong cold market. So we have different ways here sa cold market, digital marketing, social media, host hunting, virtual event, challenges, and hotel events. So yun yung mga ways ng ating cold market. So as of now, focus na kayo sa mga gagawin natin. So step by step naman, tuturo namin sa inyo yung pinaka-best and effective na way. So as of now, dito tayo magsisimula sa first 24 hours o first month nyo doing yung business natin sa Shanta. So I know marami dito gusto mag-excite na mag-run ng ads or mag-boots or kahit anong mga strategy. Pero take it easy. So mag-start muna tayo sa pinaka-basic, which is yung fast start game plan. Now, we will start with your hot market, then your warm market through the classes na schedule natin. So, kanina, I asked you if you want to go fast or average. Because if you want to go fast, so meron tayong different approach doon. And if you want average growth, meron din tayong different approach para doon. Okay. So I hope na intindihan nyo. Then after this video training, ituturo naman namin sa inyo sa third video kung ano ba yung hot market strategy na pinaka-pagfofokusan natin within 24 hours deciding to do the business here sa Shanghai. So, watch those videos and yun yung pinaka-dapat na pinaka-pagfokusan natin para mag-get mo yung first sale mo in this business.